Hey friends! In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make these irresistibly soft, fluffy, and buttery dinner rolls. They're light as air, perfectly golden on the outside, and melt in your mouth tender on the inside. These are a staple at my table, whether it's for a holiday or just a cozy dinner at home. Now let's get to baking. In the bowl of a stand mixer, add 375 grams of bread flour, 8 grams of kosher salt, 8 grams of instant yeast, 60 grams of granulated sugar, a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter melted, 180 milliliters of lukewarm milk, and lastly, 1 egg and egg yolk. And that's all the ingredients. Now mix on medium speed for 8 minutes. Now transfer the dough to an oiled bowl. I'm just smoothing out the top here. Now cover and let rest for 1.5 hours. Your dough should now be doubled in size. Transfer your dough to a work surface. Now divide your dough into 16 equal pieces. If you prefer, you may also use a kitchen scale for this. I like to divide my dough in equal parts like this. Now it's time for the fun part, that is shaping your rolls. So take a piece of dough, fold the edges into the center like you're making a little pouch. Then flip it over seam side down. Cup your hand gently over the dough and roll the dough onto itself like this. You should feel it tighten and smooth out as you go. That looks about good. Now place the roll into a 9x9 baking pan lined with parchment paper. So again, this is how you do the shaping. Fold the edges into the center. Flip it seam side down. Cup the dough gently with your hand and roll the dough onto itself. Do this a few times. Here it is again slowly. The dough should tighten and smooth out as you do this. You can also roll the dough in small tight circles. See? Now cover and let rest for 45 minutes. Also preheat your oven to 350. In the meantime, let's make an egg wash. You will need 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of milk. Now mix it all together. Alright, that is looking good. Now set aside. By now, the dinner rolls should be looking nice and plump. Brush the egg wash onto the surface of each roll. They are just glistening. Now bake at 350 for 25 minutes or until they get nice and golden brown, just like this. Right after they come out of the oven, brush on some butter. My mouth is literally salivating right now. Oh my gosh, these look so good. If you'd like, top it off with flaky salt. Ta-da! And that's it. Quick, easy, and simple. I really hope you like my super soft, fluffy, and buttery dinner roll recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all your support. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you decide to try this recipe, let me know in the comments how you like it. You could also let me know what else to make next. I really do enjoy reading all your comments. Alright folks, I'll see you next time.